Hi, welcome back to my channel guys, and welcome back to another episode of Cruising with Goldie. Guys, in today's episode I'm going to talk about a very funny and an interesting topic. Yes guys, a lot of people are asking me, sir, do I need to know swimming to join a cruise ship? And the answer to this question is yes and no also. The reason I'll tell you in this video, so please watch this video till the end. And guys, if you have not subscribed to my channel, please go ahead and click that subscribe button. And don't forget to click that bell icon, because whenever I'm going to post a video, you will get a notification. So I don't want to waste more time. So let's start this video.
It's awesome!
Guys, let's begin why it is not mandatory to know swimming to join a cruise ship. The reason I'm saying, if any emergency happened on board where you need to jump into a water, not exactly jump into a water, so there are other stuff also which can save your life. Like we have lifeboats, life crafts, life jackets. They are fully prepared, so they don't care whether you know swimming or you don't know swimming. So that is the reason they don't emphasize if a person who's going to work on a cruise ship knows swimming or not. So that is the main reason. Now, my suggestion, before you joining a cruise ship, please go ahead and learn swimming. I'll tell you the reason. There are two major reasons. One is related to your life and the second one is related to enjoyment. The first one, God forbid, by mistake, anyhow, any accident happened and you fell into a water, the ocean. So just take an example of a car. If a car wants to stop, we hit the brake and the car stops. But if a ship wants to stop, so if I hit the brake now, it will stop after 2 kilometers. It will go 2 kilometers ahead and it will stop. So by that time, if you don't know swimming and if you have not carried because it was an accident, you were not wearing your life jacket, you will drown into a water. So that is the one major reason you need to know swimming before you joining a cruise ship. And the second one, guys, it is the enjoyment. The cruise goes to the most beautiful beaches and beautiful places. You all know that. So if you want to enjoy, there are so many beautiful beaches where people go for a swimming. You have seen in the TV, you must be talking to your friends who are already working on board. They must have shared the experience with you. So that is the reason. So if you go out there in the beautiful beaches of Bahamas and other countries, so you really want to go into a water and enjoy the life. That is the only reason I'm saying you need to know swimming. So two reasons, one is related to your life and one is related to your enjoyment. So my suggestion, please learn swimming before you go ahead and work on a water. So guys, it was a small video I made it. I don't know whether how important is this for you, but for me it is very important. I have faced so many problems not knowing swimming. So I have missed a lot of enjoyment in my life. So I don't want you to lose all that enjoyment. So please go ahead, learn swimming before you're going to join a cruise ship. So guys, if you like this video, please give me a thumbs up. As usual I say, but you people don't really care. I'm really tired, keep saying that. Please give me a thumb. If you don't like, keep hitting that dislike button. So I will understand what mistake and what good thing I am doing for you. So I will come up with a more beautiful video all for you. Alright, for then, bye from Cruising with Goldie.